So just use your keyboard. You're going to hold down your Windows logo key and the tab key on the keyboard. This is going to bring this window up. Now you see your desktop 1 and you see new desktop. So just click on new desktop. And you'll have a second screen with just one monitor. And you could also have a third screen. You have as many screens as you want to have. I'm going to select desktop 2. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to press Windows logo key and the tab key again. And I'm going to select desktop 3 this time. I'm going to open up Windows File Explorer. And I'm going to go to my pictures folder here. Now, you could cycle through between the desktop screens. What you're going to do is you're going to hold Control and the Windows logo key, and then using either the left or right mouse button, you can scroll through or cycle through Windows. Now, here is an interesting part that I think is really neat. Let's say you want to keep these windows open, but you only want one screen now because you're going to be closing up shop for the day. You're going to press and hold the Windows logo key and the tab key. Bring this back up again, this window. Close desktop 3, close desktop 2, and click on desktop 1. And both windows are still there. It's only like you're closing your monitors and canceling out those extra windows, but yet you still have the stuff that you were working on still open, and now they're all on desktop 1. Let's say you're really not closed shop for the day and you wanted to juggle things around. Well, hold the tab key and the Windows logo key, and you could take your window, like let's say your browser, and drag it onto desktop 2. So this way you know that you can be having 2 different desktops at the same time. Click on desktop 1 and that is gone. If you wanted to bring that over to desktop 2, you can do the same thing there, and then desktop 1 is empty. If you want to have that new desktop like we had before, and you want to have something from desktop 2 over there, let's say my pictures, you grab it and drag it over to desktop 3. So now desktop 1 doesn't have anything, desktop 2 has your browser, and desktop 3 just has your folder that's open.